What's up guys, your boy BG here. So I'm here at a Walmart and look what we found. Nice. Just when I thought that hope was all lost, 2022 A case, buddy. So right off the bat we have this cool Porsche 935. Check this out guys. 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. We have the cool Twinnin' and Winnin'. We have this cool recolor of the 1985 Honda City Turbo 2. Nice. And we have this cool 1976 Greenwood Corvette. Awesome. And here we have the Bot Wheels, Geoterra, and another Geoterra. What do we have over here? We have the Roadster Bite, the Skull Crusher, the Water Bomber, Mustang, Custom 70 Honda 600. He's already picked up a couple of those Mustangs. Here we have this cool Nissan Skyline, 67 Chevelle. Here we have the Nash. Nice. Here we have the 85 Chevrolet Camaro. Check this one out guys. The Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trueno. Definitely gonna take that one. And this casting is new for 2022. This is the tuned Volkswagen Golf MK1. It's interesting. And here we have the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Aston Martin. Here's a Batmobile. Let me move these out of the way. Here's the Bot Wheels. And here we have the Cosmic Coupe. Here we have the Firegator. Another cool Chevy Camaro IROC Z. Moto Wing. Batmobile. Mercedes-Benz Unimog. And here's another cool Porsche 935. This is the Muscle and Blown Moto Wing. Let's see. Water Bomber. Cool 2020 Toyota Supra. Nice. Here's the Geoterra. Nice. Check this one out, guys. The Mazda Repu. Nice. Definitely gonna pick that one up. And here's the Shelby Cobra, the regular. Here's this cool Dodge Challenger drift car. And here we have the Roadster Bite. Bot Wheels. Moto Wing back there. And here we have the Mario Kart. This is a carryover from the previous case. As you can see, there's the A. And here's a new card variation. So, let's see. Roadster Bite. Just gonna shift them over. Alpha Pursuit, Geoterra, Mercedes-Benz Unimog, Water Bomber, Geoterra, Roadster Bite, Geoterra, and another Geoterra, Shelby Cobra, and here we have the Bubble-Matic. Pass on that one. This one's actually pretty cool. The Let's Go, little go-kart. So here we have the Moto Wing, the Roadster Bite, the Sand Burner, Bot Wheels. Sorry about that, guys. I'm dropping cars all over the place, so excuse me for that. This is the Moto Wing. Here we have the Bot Wheels, another Moto Wing, Roadster Bite. We have this cool 67 Chevelle, Chevy Silverado, Range Rover. Here we have the School 2017 Ford GT. Wyra. The custom small block. Bot wheels, another bot wheels, and the Toyota. And let's see what we have over here. The Aston Martin. The Pagani Wyra. Toyota. Moto Wing. Roadster bike. Moto Wing. And let me see. Gonna hurry up, guys. Sorry about that. A lot of people coming in, and I don't want people asking any more questions. So here we have the Nissan Skyline, which I already picked up. I have a couple of them, so I'm gonna leave that there for somebody else. Muscle and Blown. Batmobile. Here we have the bot wheels. Toyota. Water Bomber. Yeah, looks like it's a bunch of fantasy castings here. The Mod Rod. Custom 70 Honda N600. This is a real cool car, the Hotbird. I'm gonna pick that one up. Roadster bike. Alright guys, I'm gonna hurry up because I've got some people behind me. And yeah, we have plenty of those. Alright guys, this is pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next story. What's up guys, your boy Big A here. So I'm here at a Walmart, aka my local disappointment. So I came here really quick, not expecting to find anything, and look what I found. Right off the bat, a 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. You guys know, gotta take this one. And look what we found, guys. Looks like they put out the new Boulevard set. So 2018 Toyota 4Runner, definitely gonna take that one. Honda Civic, nice. Definitely gonna take that one. The VW Cafer Racer, definitely gonna pick that one up. And here we have the custom 93 Nissan Hardbody in black, definitely gonna take that one. And here we have the 1997 Mercedes-Benz. Beautiful, beautiful car. Let's see. So it looks like they took all the other sets, guys. So let's keep on looking. Nothing. They have a bunch of these Mercedes-Benz sets. They're all over the freaking place. There's a few more up there. Batman. Mario Kart. Monster trucks. Working rigs. And the pegs are still completely empty, at least at this particular Walmart, for the main lines. Let's see. They have this dump in, but as you can see, it's a bunch of crap fantasy castings. So, alright guys, so that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. You guys hit that thumbs up, share the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. You guys have a great holiday season. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.